Come da porta picchita va bene. Si tu la parla miezza americano.
Welcome to the Yummy Food Making Show with Isaac and his mom. We're going to be making chocolate chip zucchini bread, and we're going to try to make it a little healthy. Okay, are you ready, Isaac? First thing we need to do is to turn on the oven to preheat it to 350 degrees.
Papa l'americano.
Next, you have to look through your mom's messy pans to find a loaf pan that you put bread in. Look on the top shelf underneath. You see it? A pan for bread? Yes. Both. We need two. Make one for you and one for a neighbor. Parchment paper, which I've never done before, and I don't really know the best way to go about it. Okay, then it says fry 'em. You want to fry 'em? So once you line the pans with the parchment paper, which is not an easy task, you're going to spray down the parchment paper with some cooking spray. Did the spray go up or down on that last one? Okay, you're sure it got sprayed good? Take a look at it. Did it get sprayed good? Alright, perfect. Okay. Alright, next Isaac is going to put all the dry ingredients into the big blue bowl. First, he's going to put in 3 cups of it's supposed to be 3 cups of all-purpose flour, but we like to make things healthier here, so we're going to use some almond flour as part of that 3 cups of flour. So, Isaac, find the bag of almond flour in the back. It's blue. We're going to get 2 cups of that. Do you need a knife? Or just use your hand because you washed them before we started, right? 2, because we're going to use 1 of regular flour. Then 1 of the white flour that's the big one. Yep, that one. Next up is 1 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. Next up, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Next up is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's good news. Then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. we're going to use egg whites, and to get that equivalent, we need to use a half a cup of egg whites plus 1 tablespoon. So that's what Isaac is going to do now. Add the half a cup of egg whites plus 1 tablespoon to our mixing bowl. This bowl is separate from our bowl we did earlier here of the other dry ingredients.
Americano.
We're going to add the 2 cups of sugar. However, we like to try to mix it up a bit, so we're only going to use a half cup of white sugar. And we better get you a new half cup, Isaac, because your half cup that you had there just got egg in it. So we'll pause this for a moment and get you a new measuring cup. Please hold. And lastly, a whole cup of stevia. So how many half cups equal a whole, Isaac? 2. So 2 of those of the green bag. One cup of vegetable oil.
Come da può capire chi te va bene, se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la
One more
luna.
ingredient before mix time. The next thing is 1 whole tablespoon of vanilla. So that's that silver big spoon over by the eggs. Yes, 1 of those of vanilla.
Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano.
So we need to mix it for 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. So Isaac, while that is mixing, do you have any safety tips for kids making zucchini bread? That's a good safety tip. Keep your fingers out of the mixing bowl while it's going. Alright, next we need to fold in the dry ingredients that we prepared earlier. So Isaac's going to pour in some of those and then
Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. Fish che so del rock and roll, fish che so del rock and roll, fish che so del rock and roll.
Have this big zucchini we got from somebody at church. I don't really know who. It's passed around from person to person, and we said, we'll take it. So we have this big zucchini from church. We have Isaac's working on grating the zucchini. We need 2 cups of grated zucchini. I think I'm going to help him along. So we have the zucchini mixed in, and now we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Come da può capire chi te va bene, se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come te viene in capo di I love you, papà l'americano.
We are going to put it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes until a toothpick insert comes out clean. And then remove the loaves from the oven and allow them to cool for 20 minutes in the pans before transferring them to a cooling rack to cool completely. Alright, we'll let you know how they turn out. Pause!
Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano.
Is this the best way to get your veggies? We decided zucchini bread is finger licking good.
que so del rock and roll, ich que so del rock and roll, ich que so del